Hey guys, it's Jonathan, your straight shooter from USAA. Today, we're getting straight to the point on keeping you in good shape. Yeah, not that type of shape, but keeping your credit in good shape. Guys, if you're gonna be trying to purchase or even rent a home, buy the car you really want with the best insurance premium and interest rates, or even get a job, you gotta have great credit. If you're a secret squirrel intel type, your credit can even affect your obtaining and keeping your security clearance. It's one of the most important pieces of your financial life. Here's what you can do to keep your credit in great shape. 1. For starters, get a copy of your credit report at least once a year to make sure there's nothing on there that shouldn't be. There's nothing worse than getting surprised by your bank or a car dealer when you get turned down for a loan, or your high interest rate makes those payments unaffordable. 2. It sounds simple, but pay your bills on time. One of the things I found really helped me was setting up automatic payments. 3. I really recommend this one because we all know how quickly credit cards can get out of hand. Pay those cards off in full each month. If you carry a balance, keep it as low as possible and definitely avoid maxing out. 4. You can help maintain good account history by keeping older accounts open, but obviously keep all your accounts in good standing. 5. Only establish new credit when necessary. Don't be tempted by those high interest retail cards. And finally, be sure to avoid these common mistakes. Co-signing for someone else's loan. When you co-sign, it impacts your credit too. Even if they make their payments on time, it still affects your total amount you owe on your debt to income ratio. Both things that will come up on your credit report. Maxing out accounts or carrying a high balance close to your credit limit. Closing credit card accounts without understanding the potential impact to your credit score, and opening new accounts rapidly or having too many credit inquiries. So that's that. Keeping your credit in shape doesn't have to be that hard. Now I'm gonna go try this new modern new age stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe and check out more episodes of Straight Shooters here on the USA YouTube channel.